To do this hike, this second hike, you have to be ready 1 p.m. So on time, 1 p.m. you're going. And so I just got a Gatorade, and we also gonna have a shower right now because the sun is so strong. They recommend us to take a bath and go wet in the hike, to do the hike, because that will be more chill for you to do. So now we are going to start our second hike, and this one is the one about the famous TV show was recorded in this place. So this is why they call the waterfall Largados e Pelados, which is the way we say here in Brazil the name of the TV show. I'll put the name on it, that way you know what I'm talking about. Perdão, vou perguntar de novo. Essa planta é o quê?
Lixeira, chamam aqui, é uma lixa natural. Antigamente usavam para tirar o preto da panela, embaixo com a areia e a lixa.
E para lixar o pé também ou não?
E presta para o pé.
Vamos saber. So the first part of this hike, it's easy because the sand, it's compact on the floor, so it's okay to do it. But our guide was saying that the second part of the hike, it's more difficult because the sand, it's like soft, it's not compact. So the way you put your feet, it will go down, you know, so that would take you more effort to do it. But the first part, it's okay. Till now, everything easy. E ela é pra quê?
E depois, como é?
Ela é o quê? Você
Ela
come, você...
Não, o gado come bastante. Ela larga uma mel aqui e vem, gruda bastante. Se cai em você, gruda bastante.
Achei que fosse uma
E tem
planta medicinal, alguma coisa assim, não?
Não, aqui não. O gado come. Não, a gente essa não usa para nada.
Mas ela é típica daqui,
Mas é bonitinha.
É bonitinha.
É bonitinha.
Natal, né?
E ela é típica daqui, do Jalapão.
Vem daqui, é símbolo do Tocantins, a árvore, sim, que se chama fava de bolota. Aí tem mais florzinha, essa é bem grande, bem grande.
We are just arriving in the city of the rocks. So to get to this waterfall, the Lake Waterfall, or Cachoeira dos Pelados, we have to pass through this city. So look at this view, it's amazing. So now it's time to go to the viewpoint, and we have to talk. We can't talk loud because of the bees, otherwise they will attack. That, guys, was the rock city. Amazing, right? After the city of rocks, now we are back to the wild, back to the plants, back to the trees. And thank God, because that way we have less sunlight. And oh my God, I can already hear the sound of the waterfall. Maybe it's this one. Maybe we are close. Oh my God, I can hear already the sound of the waterfall. Maybe it's close. So we are in the end of this hike, and my consideration is it's not what they told me. A lot of people told me that it was a difficult hike, and they also have like sign walls saying that has a medium level of difficulty, but I didn't think that. I think it's really chill, depends on the group you are going to. But I think it's really chill. It's not difficult at all to do it. Just be aware of what your guide say, like to take the bath before you coming, because the difficulty is not the path itself, it's the sun that it's always on your head, it's always on you. But otherwise, that doesn't have anything that makes this hike difficult. And it's definitely worth it because it's unbelievable. The place, the rock city, and this waterfall, it's amazing. You have to check it out if you plan to come to Serra Gerais in Tocantins. One more thing I didn't explain before. These things we put in our legs because this place it's full of snakes and the poison ones, so you must use that to do the hike. This one, the second one, you don't have to use the helmet, but the other one you have to use the helmet and this thing on your legs. Best thing I could ask for. And this, guys, is the Cachoeira dos Pelados, or the Naked Waterfall. And it's just amazing. You have to come here. You have to visit this place. And now I have a good tip. When you finish your hike, everyone will go inside the waterfall. So just wait a little bit, drink your Gatorade or your water, and rest a little, and then you're probably gonna have the waterfall just for yourself. So it's like the best tip I have for you today. And now ending the hike, but we still have the viewpoints to go. Let's go! We were passing and we just saw these beautiful bluebirds, and we saw more in the tree, but I couldn't film it. My phone couldn't zoom it, but that opportunity to see one of those, it's rare and beautiful. Just ended my hike. The hike of today was incredible. The only thing that it's like making me sad is that I wanted to go to Arco do Sol, which is a place that have a big rock and has a hole in it, so it's a great place to see the sunset. But my gas, I don't have, like, I have the half of my tank of gas, and tomorrow I will have to go to Almas, so it's like 1 hour and a half driving, and I think my gas is not enough. And they don't have bus station here, so it's something like if I've been stuck in a place because of the sand or anything, someone can help me. But about the gas, that would be more difficult for me, you know. So I'm choosing not to go to this place, unfortunately. It's really sad for me to say that, but unfortunately I can't go to this place right now because of the gas. So we are going to end this hike, this amazing day. We're going to the waterfall I was yesterday, and we're going to see the sunset in the top. So that will be, I hope you like it. Subscribe already in my channel, like this video, and let in the comments if you have any doubt about this place or about these hikes here in Brazil and here in Tocantins.